how to add and manage payment methods in Whatnot. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial how to do so. So let's just dive right in and get started. Open up the Whatnot application for that on your iPhone or your Android device and make sure you are logged in if you're not. After that, we can directly head over to the account option usually in the bottom right corner and go ahead and tap on it and access our account tab right here. Now from here, we can look out for the option called payments and shipping and go ahead and tap on it, and that will lead us to another page here. So we have delivery method, payment method, make referrals on credit, etc. So tap on payment method, the pen icon, pencil or the pen icon right next to it, and we can choose up the payment method that we want to add. So Whatnot supports several payment options such as credit, debit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Venmo, Ideal, and many more. So you can just go over and choose one of the method. After that, you just need to choose the payment method that you want to add, your card information, billing address. Just go over and set it up, and the method you add becomes your default for future purchases until you change later. You can just go ahead and type your details and save up the changes, and this new method becomes default for the future bids and purchases. You can just go and do so. You can basically go to payments and shipping if you want to remove it by tapping on the pen icon once again, and again going ahead and adding a new one to replace it, and that's it. That is it, everybody. You may follow this method if you really want to add and manage your payment methods. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.